Welcome to Geeks on Command, where we offer fast, professional computer repair and tech support for homes and small businesses. Schedule fast, affordable remote computer support from local computer technicians in the USA. Repairs start at just $75. Our fully qualified computer repair technicians have over 15 years of experience fixing laptops and desktops. They can help with removing viruses, fixing error messages, speeding up your PC, troubleshooting software, configuring Outlook, and so much more. We're also an IT service provider for small businesses. Our team of IT service providers can provide remote support to businesses with multiple branch locations. We offer technical support for your employees' computers, solutions for Outlook email problems, data backup, cybersecurity, consulting services, network support services, disaster recovery, data security services, and other technology solutions to minimize downtime and help your small business run and grow. Save money and improve efficiency by using our team of knowledgeable and professional technicians as your IT solution to keep your business running smoothly instead of paying an in-house support provider. Call Geeks on Command for small business IT support when you need it and learn why we've been named New Jersey's leading IT services provider 3 years running. We work with all brands of computer, offering remote support computer services for all PC manufacturers. This includes desktops, custom gaming PCs, and popular laptops like the Apple MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac and Mac Mini, Microsoft Surface Pro, iPad Pro, Dell XPS, Optiplex and Inspiron, HP Pavilion and EliteBook, Lenovo Yoga, ThinkPad and IdeaPad, Acer Aspire, Asus ZenBook, and more. We support all types of computers and home electronic devices purchased from any computer shop or computer store in the USA. This includes both Windows and Mac computers and all devices like desktops, laptops, printers, tablets, smartphones, even home electronics like smart TVs, Alexa, or Apple Watch. We truly believe we're the best computer repair shop for difficult computer repairs, malware removal, corrupted files, software issues, printer setup, and any other computer problem. Our team of computer techs have 15 years experience with laptop repair services, going the extra mile to get the problem fixed and provide the best course of action for the customer to ensure excellent customer service. At Geeks on Command, we take pride in our 5-star Google reviews, a testament to our friendly PC technicians, our transparent computer repair pricing, with no hidden fees or bloated cost per service pricing, and our top-rated computer repair services. If something is wrong with your machine and the specific situation isn't fixed by your technician, there is no cost. We have a no-fix, no-fee computer repair guarantee and a 30-day warranty on all tech services. We're open 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily, every day of the week, so stop fighting with your computer and call Geeks on Command today.